Hey girl, hey. So welcome back to another video, and I'm so excited that you decided to come and hang out with me today. And I'm excited about this video because I'm going to be just bringing you guys along with me as I get ready for my work day. So yeah, let's just hop into it. As you can see, I'm just doing my skincare routine, and I always try to do my skincare routine, of course, faithfully every morning and every night. Well, I try to at night. I be too tired, girl. Don't get me wrong, but I always try to do my skincare, especially if I know I'm going to be wearing makeup for the day. So yeah, girl. And I'm finna just apply my sunscreen. I'm applying my sunscreen right now, girl, and I use the Black Girl sunscreen. I've been using this for a long time and I love it. It's amazing. If you're not using that sunscreen, I highly recommend it. It's so good. As you see, it does not leave a white cast on my face at all. That's what I love about it, girl. So I ditched all the other sunscreens. But I'm just going to just moisturize and apply some lip gloss on these lips, girl, because I'm gonna be honest, they be a little chapped. They be a little chapped. So I did my brows off camera, so let's just hop into the good stuff. I'm so excited because I've been stalking, okay? I've been stalking the Juvia's Place website for the longest for this eyeshadow palette, and I'm so excited that it has finally arrived, and now I can share all the makeup looks that I've been dreaming about with you guys. So yes, and so now I'm just applying like that burnt orange color on my crease, and so I was going to use this color as the base for the rest of the eyeshadows I'm going to be using. So yeah, but let me just tell you though, girl, first off, let me just tell you that these eyeshadow colors, like this whole eyeshadow palette, is gorgeous. Okay, it's gorgeous. It's every girl's dream. Like, who doesn't love an all neutral eyeshadow palette? Like and it's amazing. I was amazed, okay? I was amazed by this eyeshadow palette. Like, it was so easy to blend out, and I had no problems with blending out the colors. They all meshed well together. And so that's what I love about this palette. And also, I just believe, in my opinion, that this eyeshadow palette is so beginner friendly. Like, I feel like any girl who is just getting to eyeshadow and want to at least have something on the eyes, I feel like this palette is perfect because it has all neutrals. Like, what girl does not love, what girl, who do you know, girl, that doesn't love neutrals? Like, I don't know about you, but I'm a neutral girl. I love my neutrals as well. I love my taupes, I love my tans, I love my browns, I love like all the neutral colors, and this palette has it. So it can be used as a everyday eyeshadow palette. So I believe that I'm going to incorporate this in my everyday makeup looks, girl. But yeah, and I just realized that I did not record me applying that shimmer. I could have sworn I pressed play, but apparently I didn't, girl. I'm so sorry. But the shimmers are amazing as well. As you saw, I just applied my primer from Milk Makeup, and then I'm going in with this foundation from Makeup by Mario. I think I said it right. Makeup by Mario. Yeah. And this foundation is so gorgeous. It's like a Your Skin But Better foundation. It's like a, glow from within foundation. So I understand that this foundation may not be for everyone, but if you want to try it out, girl, you definitely should. It's amazing. But now I'm just going in with this concealer from Huda Beauty. Now, I know that this concealer was kind of light than I wanted it to be, so I'm going in with the more deeper type concealer. And this concealer is from the Sephora collection. It's about like 16 bucks, and it's amazing. So I'm just applying that just to tone down that other concealer because, I didn't want to be looking crazy. And then I'm going in with some contour. I'm using this contour stick from Fenty Beauty. It's my favorite. And one thing about me, I love contouring, okay? I don't know. That's one of my favorite things. Contouring, brows, are just two of my favorite things, like my favorite things to do in my makeup routine. I don't know. It's my favorite part when doing my makeup. So yeah, I'm just blending it out with that Real Technique brush. It's one of the new brushes that they just came out with. You can find it in Ulta. I had put my, I found it and I like, you know what, come home with me. I gotta have you. It's just really, really good for blending out contour. It's very, very dense. But I definitely be talking, girl. I just been talking. But I'm just blending out this concealer, as you saw, with some Elf, with an Elf beauty sponge. I love the Elf beauty sponges. I also recommend those as well. I used to use the Real Technique beauty sponges, but once I found out about these Elf beauty sponges, girl, I ditched the Real Technique sponges. Okay. Ditch them, okay, for the Elf, because the Elf is just so much better. It's so soft. It's so much tongue twister. It's so much softer, and I love it. So now I'm just blending out, you know, everything with the powder, just going over everything, and then I'm using this bronzer from Fenty Beauty. It's so amazing. It's one of my favorites as well. It's in the shade Thick Mint, I believe. And so I'm just using that shade to bronze up my skin a little bit, just bringing back some color, some definition. And also can't forget about the nose. Gotta make sure the nose is snatched. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going in with this blush palette from Juvia's Place. I think I'm using volume 1 or volume 2. I can't remember, but I'm using that berry shade. And I thought that that shade was more fitting for the makeup look that I was trying to create. So yes, girl. So now what you see me doing, I'm just going back and forth, making sure everything's blended out. And now on to the brows, girl. Oh my gosh. Like I said, brows are one of my favorite things. I just love a good brow, okay? I just love a good brow. A good, sharp, precise, crisp brow is one of my favorite things, okay? So I just love brows, y'all. I feel like brows just shape your face. Like it brings the whole makeup look together. So yeah. And then also you can't forget about the highlighter. Can't forget about the highlighter, girl. Yes, I am the girl who still loves highlighter, okay? Period. I still love highlighter, so yeah. And I also like to smoke out my bottom lash line. I low-key believe that this is one of my signature looks. Like me and the smoky lash line, like bottom lash line, chef kiss. Like, yes. I love a good smoky eye on the bottom of my lash line. Like it just I don't know, something about it, it just looks so like yes ma'am. So now let's get into the hair. So y'all, about this hair, I did this hairstyle like a couple days ago, and sorry y'all. Ooh, but I did this hairstyle like a couple days ago, and I fell in love with it. I'm kind of sad that I'm taking it out. Yes, I'm taking it out. It's been real, you know. It was fun while it lasted, and don't get me wrong, I love this hairstyle. It was so fun. And one thing about me that you guys may not know about me, that I love doing my hair. I love doing my own hair. I don't know, it's just so fun to me. I love trying out different hairstyles. Like, it's just fun to me. So yeah, girl, this is the finished makeup look, and it's so cute. Yes, girl, period. Yes. I'm so in love with this makeup look. And so yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. Make sure that you subscribe, girl, okay? Don't leave here and not subscribe, okay? So you can get more content. And so yeah, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.